So I recently got sent out this portable grill, and today we're gonna do a super quick unboxing and test it out with some propane. All right, so to make this even quicker and save you guys some time, I'm just gonna go ahead, unwrap everything and get it all set out right over here so that you guys could just quickly see everything that comes in the box. All right, so here's everything that comes in the box. We do get a really nice user manual that walks us through the installation. So over here, we have the flame diffusers or cover. We have handles that will go on the side. We have a dish right here that we could actually cook on. So that'd be really nice for making some burgers. Then over here, we have a warming rack that has foldable feet. So you guys could hook it up just like so. Drip tray, we have some attachments for the propane, the main drip tray right there, and then some side pieces. So let's go ahead and start installing this. I'll just record a quick time lapse of me doing so. All right, so here is the entire grill all assembled. I have mine currently hooked up to some propane, and the assembly wasn't too bad at all. You guys just have a total of 8 bolts that you guys have to put in, the feet, and as you guys saw, most of the other parts just kind of slide into place. So I did go ahead and put a AA battery in here, so that's gonna be our ignition for the grill. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on, get some gas coming in. We're gonna ignite it, and I can hear the flames kicking on. And we do have a other burner on this side as well. So let's go ahead and get the gas going, spark it up. And it looks like that one's going as well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this warm up a bit, and I'm gonna go get some tongs, and then we'll go ahead and cook that piece of sausage. All right, so it's been a few minutes. You definitely feel the heat coming off of there. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put the sausage right there, and you can already hear it sizzling. And so since this is a portable grill, you guys can just throw this up on a table like so if you guys are camping, or like a park bench. And then of course we have the temperature right there. Goes up to, it looks like 500 degrees Celsius and then 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Something else that I really like about this is that we have these removable side trays. So it gives you a bunch of area to prep your food or take food off and get it cooling down. So you can already see it smoking. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit longer. And then this over here would be really nice for cooking breakfast food. I feel like you guys could even cook eggs on there if you wanted, or make some smash burgers. But this thing heated up really quick. All right, so now we got it really cooked. You can see we have some nice grill lines, and I think it's only been probably 2 minutes, or maybe 3. But the point is, this thing cooked super fast. I do have it on the max setting right now, but overall it seems like a really nice grill. It seems to operate just as well as my normal grill over there. It's just a little bit smaller, but they did a really good job at keeping it really deep here. So you guys could cook easily 4 or 5 burgers at a time and some sausage. And then when you're done, you could just set it up there and let it cool off. So anyways, that's gonna be it for my really quick review of this portable grill.